benefits of papaya seeds. Number 1.
Number 1, protect the kidney.
C. Alam nyo ba na ang papaya ay nakaka-protect o nakakapag... Ano ba yung protect sa Tagalog?
Protection. Nag-aalaga.
O yun, nag-aalaga ng kidney. Number
Okay.
2.
Help cleanse the liver.
Naglilinis po siya ng ating atay.
Improve intestinal health.
Tagalogin mo. Improve intestinal health. Okay. Number 4.
Protect the digestive system.
And number 5.
Absorb excess fats and sugar.
So, isa-isahin natin. Nakita nyo? Buto lang pala ng papaya. Kung hindi nyo gustong i-blender, pwede nyo lunukin. Kumuha kayong kutsara, isang kutsara lunukin everyday, makakatulong ko sa inyo.
Darna!
Sige, game!
Eating papaya seed helps prevent kidney failure problems and also helps treatment when you are already suffering from this problem.
Okay.
For this case especially, we recommend chewing 7 papaya seeds 7 times a day.
Okay, eating papaya seeds.